If you want to know the easiest way to make $4,041 per month in passive income, then watch until the end because I'm going to show you how to sell digital products using AI tools like ChatGPT. This video is packed with tips on how you can get started with no upfront costs and build your successful passive income stream, all while leveraging the power of AI for maximum results. First, let's talk about why digital products are the best way to make consistent passive income online. Examples of digital products are things like ebooks, templates, memberships, courses, printables, and more. These are digital products that you can create once and sell over and over again for consistent passive income. And with AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva, you don't even have to be a writer or a designer to make this happen. These tools will help you create high-quality digital products in minutes. When I say AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva have changed my life and changed my business, that is the understatement of the century. So how much can you make from selling digital products? Let's say you create an ebook and sell it for $29. If you sell just 10 copies per day, that's $290 per day, which adds up to over $8,700 per month. That is how powerful digital products can be when you get started with the right strategy. And digital products are what I believe to be one of the easiest forms of passive income because you put in the work up front and you create the product and then you can sell it again and again and again on autopilot for consistent passive income. Just set it up once and let those sales roll in. And if you want my full free on-demand training on how to grow your audience, create your digital product, and make sure that you get passive sales from your digital product, then go ahead, snag your free seat in the first link in the description below this video. Now, let's dive into how you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to make this even easier and faster than ever before. Because I want you not only creating your digital product, but making sales with your digital product as soon as possible. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can use those to write text for your digital product, like text for slides that'll go in videos for an online course, or text to go in your ebook, or text for what to say in a digital product workshop. ChatGPT can also help you brainstorm or write bullet points for your digital products as well. Not to mention you can use AI tools like Midjourney and Canva to actually bring the design of your digital product to life. Here are some of my favorite prompts that you can put into ChatGPT to help bring your digital product profitably to life ASAP. Okay, ChatGPT prompt example number 1 is help me come up with 5 digital ebook ideas to help busy families prepare freezer meals for dinner time. Now, obviously that's just using one niche and you can input your niche's information into there as well. All right, prompt example number 2 is help me come up with 5 online course ideas to help truck dispatchers book more clients. Okay, the next prompt example is write a 4-part outline for an ebook all about helping photographers book more clients. Then once you come up with these outlines, then you can take each section from the outline it comes up with and ask ChatGPT to write out that section for you. From there, you can use that writing that ChatGPT made as a draft to then improve it to your liking. One thing I like to do is ask ChatGPT to rewrite everything it just wrote in the voice of a millennial or the voice of Gen Z, or however you wish your words to come across. Next, AI tools like Canva can take care of all the design needs you're going to need for your digital product. So you can take what you've written and go into Canva, pick one of their designs, and you can paste that in. So you can pick an ebook design or slides for video and paste in all the text that you've created and then tweak that Canva design. You can tweak it to colors that you like. You can swap out photos. You can use photos of yourself or stock images that you find online. For example, if you use ChatGPT to write a 50-page ebook and then you use Canva to design it, you could have a professional quality ebook/digital product in a day. And if you sell that ebook for $49 and sell 100 copies in a month, that's $4,900 in revenue in a month, all from a digital product that you created in a day or less using ChatGPT and Canva. So if you've been letting perfectionism or overthinking hold you back from creating and selling your own digital product, let AI take that worry and perfectionism and procrastination out of it. Let AI help you get started, create your digital product in less than a day, even if you've never done this before. So you might be wondering, what types of digital products can you create with AI? So let's break down some of the easiest options. You can create ebooks, online courses, templates, memberships, printables, and even audio files. The possibilities are endless. So let's say you want to create a guided meditation or an audio training or an audiobook or something like that. You can use ChatGPT to help you write out the script, and then you can simply record yourself using the built-in microphone on your computer or your phone to read through the script and have that audio file ready. Or you can use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm what would be some good ideas for template digital products that you could sell, and then you can create those templates in Canva and sell them as Canva templates. So let's say you create a set of templates through Canva for social media and price them at $29. If you sell just 20 sets of templates per week, you're making $580 or more every single week, which adds up to over $2,320 per month. And once the templates are made, you never have to make them again, and you can simply just continue driving traffic to continue getting consistent passive sales. So as you can see, the possibilities are endless with digital products, and you really don't need any skills to get started. Even if you have no experience as a writer, you can use ChatGPT, or if you have no experience with design, you can use Canva. There has never been a better time to create digital products than now. I had to create digital products using things like Photoshop or hand coding HTML websites. It was way harder back then than it is now. And you can go to Google Trends to see with your own eyes that digital products is a steadily growing opportunity. And sure, maybe yesterday was the best time to get started, but today is the second best time. So don't procrastinate any longer. Go ahead, get started, and you will soon be on your way to getting those consistent passive sales. Okay, now let's talk about automation. How can you not only automate creating your digital product, but how can you automate the sales and marketing for your digital product so you can actually make sales, right? Because AI isn't just for creating the products, it's also there to help you with the sales and marketing of your digital products. You can use tools like System.io, which is the exact tool software that I use to run my entire online digital products business, from checkout pages to sell my digital products to hosting the actual digital products themselves. System.io is hands down the best and most affordable software for selling digital products online. And you can get a totally free account, not a free trial, a free account by using my link in the description below this video. You can even use that free account to set up a checkout page, host a digital product, and start making sales from your digital product ASAP. You can even use System.io to set up something like an automated email sequence. An automated email sequence is a series of emails that you have scheduled to go out at certain times. So for example, you write the email, you put it into System.io, and you say, hey, when someone joins my email list, I want them to get this email after 4 hours, or this email after 24 hours, or this email after 7 days. Whatever it is you want, if you can dream it up, you can create it and automate it within System. And of course, you can use ChatGPT to help you write these emails. So for example, let's say somebody finds you from your YouTube channel or from social media, and they download your freebie, just like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you want an example of that, and they get on your email list, and then you have a series of automated emails that you're not sending manually. You use ChatGPT to help you write them, you automate them with System.io, and those emails are going to help you bring in consistent passive sales. And if you're sitting here watching this going, but Molly, I don't have an email list, that's okay. None of us are born with an email list. The best time to start would be now. And this is a great time to start your email list. And again, you can get a totally free account with System.io in the link below this video. And it also does all of your email marketing, everything you need to grow your email list, send emails, automate emails. Again, you could do checkout pages, website, host your digital products, everything you need to run your digital products business and make sales. And the easiest way to grow your email list is to put out free content just like this and then mention any freebies you have. So for example, I have freebies on how to create and sell digital products. I have a freebie that is a free YouTube script template. I have a freebie that's a list of all 54 different types of digital products. And you can download any of these freebies in the description below this video. And I make sure to mention that 2 to 3 times in each video for those that are wanting to learn more, and they can download these completely for free. And in order for us to deliver them, we get their name and email, and that also gets them onto our email list where we can send them even more helpful information. We get to see, oh, these are the people that found me online and they're interested to learn more, and I get to help them with even more information, and then use those automated email sequences to nurture, but also eventually mention my digital products that I have for sale. And once you have that freebie made, you can promote it on YouTube, or maybe you have a following on Instagram or maybe you want to run ads, or maybe you don't even have a following, but you know you should get started so you can grow a following and also grow your email list, which will in turn grow your digital product sales. And this strategy has worked super well for me. Grow your audience and email list at the same time and have automated emails that sell your digital products. That's it. 3 steps to selling your digital products. And again, you can use ChatGPT and Canva every step of the way to help you speed up the process and make it as easy and fast as possible. So for example, if you create an automated email sequence that people who subscribe to your email list get, you can easily be generating 1,000 to 2,000 or more per week, depending on the price of your digital product and how many people are joining your email list every single day. But that's like $4,000 to $8,000 a month, all from automating your marketing. And yes, of course, you need to actually have people joining your email list to get more people to see your offers. But if you do those things, if you grow your following and grow your email list and automate your emails to sell your digital product, you will be fast on your way to generating consistent passive income with your digital products. And as you can imagine, by setting up these automated systems, that is how you're going to make money in your sleep, while you're on vacation, 24/7, because no matter when someone joins your email list or gets an email, you could be doing anything, but they are getting your email in that moment and deciding if they're going to buy your digital product. And if you're ready to start growing your email list, then I want to invite you to download my email list growth bundle completely for free. You can download it in the link in the description below this video. Lastly, let's talk about why now is the perfect time for you to create and sell your digital product for passive income. Like I said, I used to have to design things in Photoshop by hand. It took me years to learn Photoshop. I had to hand code HTML code to build my websites. There were not things like System.io. There were not things like Canva. There were not things like ChatGPT. These tools are here for us right now to make this as easy as possible. And I'm begging you to utilize these tools because it's going to help you get up and running so much faster. Not to mention, it's going to cut down the amount of time for skills you're going to have to learn to make this possible. I really truly believe there has never been an easier time than right now to create and sell digital products. So there you have it, how you can make around $4,041 per month in passive income by selling digital products with AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva. So get started now. Be okay with starting small. You can still make sales when you're small. Automate your sales and let the passive income sales flow. And let me know in the comments below, what was your top takeaway from this video? I will personally respond to every single comment. And now that you know what I believe to be the easiest form of passive income, you might be wanting to learn more about how I've done over $8 million in digital product sales revenue to date. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video next here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you in the next video.